How to fix the blue screen of death on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix blue screen of death on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to recover the blue screen, fix the blue screen of death on Windows 10, you just need to follow some process. So in your screen, if this kind of error appears, you just need to go and choose an option, continue, press F8, F9, 10, or shift. After that, go on troubleshooting. After that, click on advanced options. After clicking on advanced options, start up repair. Just do that and change your keyboard layout and diagnose your PC. Wait for it to be completed. The second method is choose an option, troubleshoot, and after troubleshooting, go to advanced options, go to system restore, and after going to system restore, you should be able to restore your system files and settings, and your problem should probably be fixed. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.